The fourth joyful mystery is the presentation in the temple. A Gospel reading from the book of Luke, chapter 2, verses 25 to 32. There lived in Jerusalem at the time a certain man named Simeon. He was just and pious, and awaited consolation of Israel, and the Holy Spirit was upon him. It was revealed to him by the Holy Spirit that he would not experience death until he had seen the anointed of the Lord. He came to the temple now, inspired by the Holy Spirit. And when the parents brought in the child Jesus to perform for him the customary ritual of the law, he took him in his arms and blessed God in these words, "Now, Master, you can dismiss your servant in peace. You have fulfilled your word. For my eyes have witnessed your saving deed displayed for all the peoples to see, a revealing light to the Gentiles, the glory of your people Israel." The meditation. Recall a time in your life when God made you wait for His divine timing. How did you trust God in the long waiting?